Hello, in this video we will discuss the trim function of Excel. This function is very useful. It removes unnecessary leading, trailing and between word space in a string. So here is one example, the pen. It is a small string. You can see before the word the there is a space, unnecessary space is there. Okay, and after the and between pen again there are some spaces. Similarly, here in this string, again there are unnecessary spaces between many words, and here also between two words there is a big space. How we can fix it? Let's start. Equal to sign, trim function. Select the cell, select the text where text is written. Bracket close. You can see automatically the unnecessary spaces are removed. Same thing we can do here. Trim. You can see how easily we can remove unnecessary spaces before the string, after the string, and in the middle of a string.